Hello everyone, this is the woman who speaks here. Welcome back to my channel for my old hoodie goodies. Thank you for supporting me, and for the newbies, welcome to my castle. Grab a chair, take a cup of coffee or water, and let's enjoy the ride together because we have a lot to learn. And today I will be showing you in this video how I get my eyebrows on fleek by using eyeshadow powder. You can use whatever you have in hand, and this one is a palette that comes with 5 shadows in it, and I'll take the brown one to have my eyebrow done today. And now I will grab my double-sided tool, which is one side is a spoolie and the other one is an angle brush, and I will try to put my hair in place before I start doing anything with my eyebrows. And as you can see, my eyebrows are not full. That's why I usually do my do them to make them look fuller. And now I'm just dipping my angle brush in the brown shade, and I will connect 2 lines together. I'll make the inner part a little bit thicker and the outer part a little bit thinner. And now I'm trying to see if the length that my eyebrow is supposed to be is normal. And now I will go ahead and fill it in. You can do it square, you can do it with arc, you can do it with round shade, whatever fruit your boot, but I like mine with a little bit of arc. And you can try to fix it as you go. It doesn't have to be perfect at the beginning, because you can conceal it at the end or do something to make it look perfect. And remember guys, your eyebrows are twin, they are not identical twin. One gonna look different than the other one, but trying to make it look as better or as normal or as, I don't even know what I'm saying right now because like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now I'm grabbing my concealer from LA concealer, and this one I think I purchased it for $1 or $2, I don't remember exactly. And this one is kind of like 2 shades lighter than my skin tone because you want your eyebrows to pop, right? And now I'm trying to fix all the imperfection using the concealer, and that will give you the shape, to make you see the shape that you are going for. I don't know if it makes sense. Okay, when you get it to your liking, you will grab a flat brush. This one is by e.l.f. I will link all the product that I use in the description box down below. So now I'm trying to fade it as I go. And one thing I would like to add guys is, like, when you trace it with the concealer, don't do it too close to the eyebrow, because if you do so, it will go, it can mess up the shape, and you have to go back and fill it back in again. So make sure that you don't put it too close to the eyebrow. Now I'm grabbing one sponge that I used earlier to do my makeup that has some leftover powder, and I just dab it onto my eyebrow just to make it looks clean. That one seems alike, and you can see the difference between the other side and this side. And to darker the outer part a little bit more, I will grab my e.l.f. mascara, and I will just apply that the inner corner, not the outer corner, not the inner corner, sorry. And as you guys can see, I messed it up a little bit, but don't worry about it because you can clean it with some concealer. And now I will get my flat brush that has some leftover concealer, and I'm just trying to correct it. Then I'll take the concealer and conceal it. And boom, everything is already fixed. Okay, now I'm fast forwarding the video because it's gonna be the same process. And what I just did off of camera is just add some other, how you call this, those. And as I was saying, I went ahead of camera. I add some of the light color. It was like a creamish color eyeshadow powder on top of my by my brow bone, so to lighten up a little bit. And now I will do the same process on the other side, and I will let you guys enjoy the video. So guys, the video is a beginner friendly video, so that's everything that I've done. And as you can see, my eyebrows look totally different from the beginning. And thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. And